So, you're chilling?
Yeah, man, we here. Good.
Yeah.
All right.
And what was your name again?
Oh, my name's Lisa. Nice to meet you.
Okay. All right, nice to meet you. You have some nice eyes. You know?
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah, I'm always telling her that, yo, like, she made her pretty. I love her.
Yeah, man, she's pretty, man.
Yo, I'm not gonna lie. You smell mad good. Like, you smell really good.
Oh,
Just,
thanks.
you know.
Thanks. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, what is that? What?
It's actually my own fragrance, you know. I made my own cologne and perfume. It's called Parasense. So I just put on all the time, and that's what you're smelling. And it's strong and it stays long. You know what I'm saying? It stays in your clothes. If you want to try it or so, you can click the link in my bio. You know
That's
what I mean?
dope. So you have your own business and you smell good? Are you a
Oh,
catch?
thank you.
Yeah, I got my own business too, you know. Yeah, like, you know how I might not smell as good as Gyalis, you know what I'm saying? But yo, Gyalis, you still got that $50,000 that you owed me from last week? When you went bankrupt? You got that? I'ma need that. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Gyalis do smell better than me. You know what else he does better than me? Have kids. Don't you have 3? But only take care of 1? Yeah, when you put on the cologne, they don't go nowhere. But don't you got somewhere to go? Suck your mother and come out of my yard.
You know, you can sit down if you want to sit down, you know.
No, I'm fine.
You want something to eat, something to drink?
No, I'm good.
You want to use the bathroom or anything like that? You know what I'm saying? No?
No, I'm good.
Alright, what was that? Was that a sneeze?
Sorry.
Okay. Alright, this ain't your first time here. You can.
Alright, how you cook today? Boy, me raw. I don't know why I'm so full of gas. Your bathroom free up? No one shit. How is this pan the counter? Hennessy? How you do? Show party without me? Next time invite me, bumbo clap me junk no fuck. Come Gyalis, pull out your oil, make with sex. John, no, me forget to my egg them a drop out, me a bleed. Actually, you know what? Go get one rag, we still can't fuck. Oh, yo, bro, I been meaning to tell you, I really appreciate you, bro. Because when I was depressed and I was going through what I was going through, you're the only one who was checking up on me, you know what I mean? And I appreciate that, you know what I mean? It's all love. And I just want to let you know that anytime you need me, I'm going to be there for you, all right? Anything you need, all you got to do is call me. So how long have you been this way? Wait, which way? Brother, I'm not like I can't talk right now. My car just broke down for 19th Street. Oh, I know exactly where that's at. Yo, I could come right now, and you could ride with me, and I can take you anywhere you want to go. Oh, we can go get a new tire right now. You know I'm not gay. Yo, bro, I got some bad news, bro. I ain't want to say nothing, but the doctors say it progressed, and I have surgery tomorrow, bro, and I might not make it. Bro. Yeah, we've been friends since 2 years old, and I just want to say that I love you, bro, and I know you love me too. I know you don't express yourself good, but I feel it. So, Kim.
Shut up. What's them people are easy? You know, so for that time, people tell me, cut down. I'll be dusty say, well, you know, so I come out from my phone, and I look one little piece of sunny coming in for the live. So we make her fight live. I force me to put the live so long, you know. I don't say no, cut out. You know, for the money. I follow them, I'm going to shut up. Just a camera. Hey, big up people, they were fast to one left and one way. Give her thanks, you know. Yeah, man, shut up. Pussy one. No. Go on.
Is it okay if I take this phone call real quick? Yeah, go ahead. I'm gonna just use the bathroom. Girl, I'm so tired of dealing with these men. Trust me, it's not you alone. I am done playing games, okay? You see the next dude who tries to sex me and leave, I'm gonna catch another first-degree murder charge. Another one. Cause do I look like a one-night stand? Nope. I'll run over your mom. And park. I'll kidnap your family and bury them. Yeah. I'll cut off your balls and curry them. With water crackers. But I just met this guy and I think I like him. So when him come out the bathroom, I'm not gonna let him go. We're gonna start our family and our 8 kids. Yeah, girl. And if he says no, we're gonna kill him mother, kill him papa, kill him brother, kill him sister, kill him master.
Brother, if you not learn nothing from me, when you go out, you have to smell good.
Yeah, bro, cause the one you have on right now, that smell good, you know?
Yo, I always wear rain in Paris. All of my cologne them body now, linking on my bio. But you know what I love about them? Is they strong. So you see when you see a girl and you hug her, she gotta go home and smell like you. Yo, you see last night that aura?
Yeah.
Guess who come up and tell me say me smell good?
Oh.
And stranger. Guess who come up?
Oh.
No Shana.
Who?
JetBlue.
Ah, yeah.
Alright. You know how long me not see her?
Yeah, what? A long time
Yeah.
I see her, you know? Jano.
You know she text me when she reach home though.
Afi.
And guess who me see? Sit down in the corner over the other side.
Who?
No Chantel.
Who?
Soy sauce.
Oh,
Yeah.
Chinese girl.
Yes.
Okay.
And guess who me see her with? After them have the falling out, them start friend, guess who me see her with? Guess.
Who?
No Chloe.
Who?
Who make best egg roll?
Oh, I forget
Yes.
who make best egg roll. I used to love her.
You know.
I used to love her who make best egg roll.
Yeah. Remember you love her off, man. And that's right after you break up with Daniel.
Who?
Chicken back.
Oh.
Yeah.
Hold on, brother, everything good? I say you want a high fade, though. Yeah, right up to the top right here. Just bald and then up here. I say a word, brother, the cologne them bad. Brother, my buy about 6 last week. Yeah? Be a girl me I get from there. Respect.
I went him sell. Aisle?
Yeah, man, I'll boss this in a brother, bad.
Aisle boss? I hope you ain't thing there.
Yeah, laugh, no joke about them thing there, brother. Hope you real in a dog.
I don't believe in that bumbo. Hope you not real a blood now.
Yeah, man, think a joke to bumbo. Brother, me I tell you, say me see Guzo work first and me experience it in a youth.
Brother, nobody never goes to you. Your woman burn your car and me catch is a simple thing that, man.
Yeah, what you just say? You see, you move your blood clot, show your boys you want to come try style, man. I want to man go yam your mother.
You gonna yam my mother.
Say another word and see if me not guzo your blood clot.
Guzo me no?
You stay right there, sir.
Guzo me. I want to see you guzo me.
Turn in a one goat and bust your throat.
That I want to see. Go at me no? Go at me.
Alright, bumbo hole, ready now? We have what you want and a top of bill and brrr, boop, 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 boop. Bumbo clot! No, sir! You're running blood clot! Blood of Jesus!
Real bad minds, I've been battling the sharks. Straight jeans and bad foot pants. Everybody up for yes, some me give me Clarks. Everybody up for yes, some me give me Clarks. I'm free, world boss, world bumper Clark. Pull up that. Pull up, rewind, all that Jamaican stuff. They don't free him. I'm so glad they didn't free him in the U.S. yet. Please keep him in Jamaica. I'm terrified. As an understatement, I'm literally petrified. Keep that man in there. And why did Shea Room use that picture of him? I think that's real. Got him out there looking like a Jamaican Sesame Street character. That's real messed up, Shea Room. Put some respect on the World of Buzz. You don't know that song they sing? He sang that. What's that song? To the owner. That's not Vibes Cartel. That's not Vibe. Hold on, wait. This is what me want you to come wine pon the cocky. Wine pon the cocky. I'm so glad you out though, but please take some time. Take time over there. Please and thank you. But how y'all day going?
Yo, you know who else makes songs that I have on repeat? Dexter Daps.
Dexter Dabs? Who? Oh, you mean Lewis? Oh, yeah. I've been told him he was talented. You know what I mean? I used to call him Ludi. He hated it. He used to sing to me. Hey, Jermaine, I think we should go to Earl's concert.
Who the f is Earl?
Oh, I'm so sorry. I keep forgetting you guys call him Alkaline.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, when he started calling himself Alkaline, I used to mess with him and call him alcohol. He hates it. He used to sing to me.
You know, you have to question everything. Do you believe in God?
God? Oh, you mean Yahweh? Of course I believe in Yahweh. I used to call him Yamaha. He hated it. He used to sing to me.
Yeah, son. But I didn't tell you what happened, bro. Man, my baby mother kicked me out, bro.
Damn.
Yeah, bro. I have nowhere else to go, dog. Damn.
And it's like, when I think about it, I ain't even got no friends, bruh. Damn. No family. No one who I can even just stay by their house until I get my stuff together, man. Shit. Like, I don't know why I'm always ending up in these situations like this. Like, I do good for people and I wish somebody would just have some compassion for me. But like the way I'm feeling right now, if I don't find somewhere to at least rest my head for 30 minutes, I might end it all. Wait, this your spot, right? I can stay here? No.
Yeah, man, I just what day you see him, you know. Tuesday, he link me and make me know say I come come check me. So I just say, yeah man, come.
Why?
No, go on. But him did take long. By the time he reach your house, me did there his shop. So I just call him and tell him say if I go through the front door, but him say he lock. So I say, alright, now worry yourself, man, just go around the back.
Why?
What you mean why? Cause the front door lock. Oh no, me I say why? Cause you say come and round the back.
Oh.
Suck your mother. Why? Hey boy, me I speak standard English, you know. Alright? Me no say me no fuck, man. You suck butty. Alright? Cause when me say come, me a talk about where me a go. You think about man a ejaculate. Cause you suck butty. You, young man, are an abomination. Imagine me a talk about house back and you a think about man butty hole. You have a mental illness and you suck butty. Listen, brother, if you want to be a fish, you can swim freely. But not try and mix me in your fish fry. Sure, that's why I'm going to talk to people like you. Lift up out of this and go suck your butty on your own time, cause you suck butty.